I just bought the GoPro Hero 10 and I'm already complaining with this latch here, the battery latch. It's so tight. It's really hard for me to get with my hand, so I gotta get this flathead screwdriver and then pop it open like that and open the door. That is such a tight... I didn't have this issue with the 9. I have a GoPro Hero 9 and did not have this issue. In this video, I want to talk about a couple accessories that I just got for this camera. I did another video where I had this right here. There's a 1/4 screw. So there's a... and I'll put a link below to where you can get a replacement one of these where it has a 1/4, but that's one. Second one is this ULANZI G9-6. It's a new door handle that will give you cold shoe and access so that you could charge the USB-C. So you can run this continuously. ULANZI is really killing it with all of these accessories that they're coming out. This was $20. You might be able to find a sale sometime, but I bought this for $20 US dollars. Oh, it also has a 1/4 there too, so you can screw something in. Yeah, this is pretty well made. No latch there. Is there rubber? Not a lot of rubber. There might be some. And that opening there. Okay, so let's remove this. I think I just pull... oh, there we go. Just pull it. It was like nothing. Oh, great. That was very easy. That almost feels flimsy, but no, looks good. Obviously, since there's an opening and doesn't seem to be any padding here, this is not weather friendly. If you're in the snow, definitely this won't go underwater because you'll fry your camera. But let's get a battery in there. And let's click it. Great. Yeah, so my reasoning for getting this is that when I want to run video continuously, have the USB-C. Is there enough room for it? And there is. Yeah, this is the official GoPro one. So if you notice with the official GoPro cable, USB-C cable, it's very thick. It's a thick cable and it's got thick rubber around the USB-C. So let me see if that's gonna fit or not. If it fits this one, it'll fit almost anything. Yep, that is in there pretty tight, pretty securely. And let's just see if it's actually powering here. Got a USB power. Plug that in. Yep, it's on. Great. Those are a couple accessories that I think are necessary to have, especially if you don't have a external battery charger, and then you're just charging your batteries in the camera. You're just gonna have it exposed there and just charge it like that. And let me just remove... oh yeah, this door's way better than this one. Ugh. I think I just gotta use it more often, and then it'll be better. But yeah, there you go. The ULANZI G9-6 GoPro 10, and it works on the 9. And then this one right here. So now I'm pretty much ready to go. I don't need a cage or anything. I got it all here.